On Pakistan Defence Day today, the people of occupied Kashmir have paid heartfelt tributes to the Pakistani martyrs of the 1965 war, according to a report by Kashmir Media Service. While Pakistan celebrates the Pakistan's Defence Day today, the residents of occupied Kashmir stand in solidarity with the Pakistan to honor the sacrifices made by the Pakistani soldiers and civilians in their defense against the Indian aggression in 1965. New Delhi installed administration in occupied Kashmir has once again placed senior APAC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq under house arrest in Srinagar, barring him from offering the Jummah prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid today. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid issued a statement denouncing the action, revealing that Mirwais was confined to his residence early this morning. Posters have reappeared across occupied Kashmir on Pakistan's Defence Day, hailing the Pakistan's steadfast support to the Kashmiri struggle for right to self-determination. These posters have affixed to the walls, pillars and poles by the various organizations in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied territory. Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir has strongly criticized the BJP-led Indian government for its exploitation under the pretext of the development, while neglecting the fundamental issues faced by the people. In a meeting held in Jammu, occupied Kashmir, Congress General Secretary Taranjeet Singh Tony said that the Indian government was enabling the mafias and ignoring the genuine concerns of the local population. Azad Kashmir was abuzz with the commemorative events today as the region marked Pakistan's Defence Day with a series of the activities reflecting patriotism and solidarity. Paswan-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir held a rally in Muzaffarabad to honor the martyrs of the 1965 war. A large crowd gathered chanting in support of Islam, Pakistan and the freedom of occupied Kashmir.